Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer, and Exchange. And in the bottom tabs, we have the Home tab, Card tab, Crypto, Sports, and the last one in the top bottom right corner is the Rewards tab. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money on Skrill. So first of all, go to the website or the app, as I told you in the start of the video, and click on the Withdraw tab. Then select your preferred withdrawal method, for example, bank account, Visa withdrawal, MasterCard withdrawal, mobile wallet, crypto wallet, or Neteller. If you're withdrawing to a bank account, enter your bank details and the amount you want to withdraw, review the details, and confirm the transaction. So that's basically how you can actually go and do it. So it is super easy. You'll do it in just, of course, a few seconds, as I already told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.